Greetings, greetings, greetings. Make me ask you something. How you gonna know when the world are done? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language before the world done, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, know the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, for make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, me go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 24 from verse 3 to verse 28. When Jesus did a sit down upon Mount Olive, him follower them come to him one side and say, "Tell we, how when all them sitting here, I go happen? And what kind of sign I go show say you are come back and the world soon done?" So Jesus said to them, say, "Watch out. Don't make nobody fool you up. Cause a whole heap of people are gonna come use up my name. And I say, me a Christ. And me God send for save people. And them are gonna fool up enough people. Una go hear say war a go on a woy. And war a go on under on the nose. But make sure say una no frighten, you know. Cause all of them sitting here have to go on. But none of them no mean the world done yet. Cause one set of people are go war against one next set of people. And kingdom are go fight against kingdom. Food are go short in enough place. And whole heap of people are go starve. On top of that, earthquake are go come shake up different place. All of them sitting here just the first set of labor pain where una go feel when the new world are born. When that happen, them are go take you and go no over to the people. Them are go punish you and kill you. And ka una me follower, people from all boat are go eat you. Whole heap of people are go give up and tap follow me. Them are go sell out them one another and eat them one another. No false prophet are go come out and trick up whole heap of people. And car wickedness I go spread like wildfire. Most people heart I go turn cool. And them now bother love people like one time. But all who hang on and turn up strong no matter what, them I go get saved. And the good news yeah, about God kingdom, I go preach all over the world. So everybody will get the chance to hear the truth. And only after that, the world I got done. But before that happened, we're going to see what the prophet Daniel went talk about when him did a chat about the wicked sitting where go against God and dot you up God house. Or we turn up in a God place. Make sure say everybody will read this here. Understand what it mean. Them time there, who they are Judea for run away, go up at the mountain them. Who they pan rooftop, no fi come down. Can't take out nothing out of their house. And the one them where they gone a bush, no fi turn back, fi no jacket. What a sitting in a them time there. Fi woman we have baby in a belly. And we have young baby. Pray say una now fi go run way when storm a come. Or in a rainy time. And pan the Sabbath day neither. Them time the people are going to suffer bad. Sufferation never so wicked from the world and make till now. And nobody now go ever suffer so again. And if God name make up him mind, say ma cut down how long that time they feel last, nobody wouldn't live. But see the people them when pick, he make up him mind, say ma go cut it down. That time there, if nobody come and I say, look here, see Christ here, or look, see him there, no follow them. Because people are going to come say, them are the one where God sent to save people. When nothing no go so. And some false prophet are going to show up too. Them people there are going to work all kind of miracle and show all kind of sign to trick up people. Down to all the people them where God pick, the false prophet them we trick up too, if them get the chance. Una better remember say me when tell una them sit there before they happen. So, if somebody go say, look here, him in the desert, no go out there. Or if they say, look here, him a idea so, no listen them. Cause just like how lightning flash from east to west, and everybody see it, I see him so, the man where God pick, I go come back. Everybody, I go see him. Anyway, the dead body there, and they so jankro, I go gather. I God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.